Ever wondered why paid advertising is a crucial cog in the digital marketing machinery? Well, today we delve into this intriguing question, dissect the concept, and explore its immense value in the world of digital marketing. Imagine a bustling marketplace, teeming with vendors, each hawking their wares, trying to outshout each other. The digital marketplace isn't much different, is it? In this cacophony, how does one ensure their voice rises above the rest? Enter paid advertising. Consider the story of a little-known startup, Blue Socks Inc. They started with a simple idea to revolutionize the sock industry with their innovative, comfortable and stylish socks. But the challenge was how to get the word out in an already crowded market. They decided to invest in paid advertising. Utilizing a mix of search engine marketing and social media ads, they started pushing their product. They targeted their potential customers based on their browsing habits, spending patterns and fashion preferences. Slowly but surely, the clicks started rolling in. Blue Socks Inc. saw a surge in traffic to their site. Their brand started gaining visibility. The strategic use of paid advertising was beginning to pay off. But it didn't stop there. The real magic happened when they started seeing a steady increase in conversions. People weren't just visiting their site, they were buying their socks. From a small startup, struggling to make their voice heard, Blue Socks Inc. transformed into a recognizable brand, all thanks to the power of paid advertising. So, what's the takeaway from this story? Paid advertising, when used effectively, can catapult a brand from obscurity to prominence. It's an essential tool to cut through the digital noise and reach your target audience. It can drive traffic to your site, increase brand visibility, and most importantly, boost conversions. The story of Blue Socks Inc. illustrates that paid advertising is not just about spending money to get your ads in front of people. It's about strategic planning, understanding your audience and delivering a message that resonates with them. To summarize, paid advertising is a critical part of digital marketing. It helps brands stand out in a crowded digital marketplace, drives traffic, boosts brand visibility, and increases conversions. But remember, it's not just about throwing money at ads. It's about strategic planning, understanding your audience, and delivering a compelling message. So, next time you're planning a digital marketing strategy, remember the story of Blue Socks Inc. and consider the immense value that paid advertising can bring to your brand. Because in the digital marketplace, having a great product isn't always enough. You've got to make sure people know about it, and paid advertising can help you do just that.